Facts of Saturn by Anika Alexandra Namor and Scarlet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. The length of a day in Saturn is 10 hours and 34 minutes. The length of a year on Saturn is 29 years. Did you know Saturn is named after a Roman god of agriculture? Saturn has the most spectacular ring system, with 7 rings and several gaps and divisions between them. As a gas giant, Saturn doesn't have a true surface. Saturn has a tilt of 26.73 degrees. It also causes seasons. Hydrogen makes up nearly all of the atmosphere, with lesser amounts of helium. Saturn's atmosphere is thicker and the planet is much larger, so the temperature varies even more with altitude. Saturn is a gas giant planet and therefore does not have a solid surface like Earth's, but it might have a solid core somewhere. There is no life on Saturn because the temperatures, pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. Also, Saturn doesn't have a true surface. Saturn has 83 moons. 63 moons are confirmed in name, and another 20 moons are waiting confirmation, discovery, and naming by the International Astronomical Union, also called as IAU.
News channels update.
A scientist recently set out to prove that the tiny innermost moon of Saturn was a frozen inert satellite and instead discovered compelling evidence that Mimas has a liquid internal ocean, and Mima is a moon of Saturn and is also called Saturn I. Did you know if Saturn loses its rings, the universe might give the planet a new set? The end.